Who is known as the father of computers? Right answer Charles Babbage. What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. The first mechanical computer was invented in which year? 1822. What was the first programming language? Fortran. What does RAM stand for? Random Access Memory. Which of the following is not an operating system? Oracle. The shortcut key for COT is Control X. What does GUI stand for? Graphical User Interface. Which file extension is used for a Word document? Docs. Which of the following is not an input device? Monitor. What does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What does IP stand for in networking? Internet Protocol. What is the default port number for HTTP? 80. What is a firewall used for? Network security. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Wireless fidelity. Which of the following is a programming language? Python. SQL is used for database management. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. In programming, loop refers to repeating a set of instructions. What does ID stand for in programming? Integrated Development Environment. Which device is used to process data? CPU. What type of device is a hard disk? Storage device. What does SSD stand for? Drive. The resolution of a monitor is measured in pixels. Which unit measures the processing speed of a CPU? Gigahertz. What does VPN stand for? Virtual Private Network. Which of these is a type of Trojan horse? What is phishing? An email scam to steal sensitive information. What does authentication require? A password and another verification step. Which of the following is not a strong password? RT123. What is AI short for in technology? Artificial intelligence. A is primarily used for transactions. What does stand for? Internet of Things. What is cloud computing? Using online services for storage and computing. What is the main purpose of an operating system? Manage hardware and software. Who founded Microsoft? Bill Gates. Who invented the World Wide Web? Tim. What is the full form of PDF? Portable document format. A kilobyte, KB, equals 1024 byte. In Excel, what does sum function do? Add numbers. Shortcut for select all is Control A. Which of the following is an example of an operating system? Linux. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which of the following is not a web browser? What is the default file extension for an Excel file? XLSX. The binary system uses which numbers? 0 and 1. How many bits are there in a byte? 8. The term bug in programming refers to an error in code. What is the primary function of an antivirus? Protect against